How to use another iCloud on the iPhone. How can you access another iCloud account? Well, you should know that on the iPhone, there can only be one Apple ID used at the same time. So you can see my name is right here at the top of the settings. Yours is going to be there too. And we have the Apple account, iCloud, and more. So this, like Apple ID and iCloud, are interconnected. It's just one account. And of course, you can add another account, but at first you're going to have to sign out and essentially wipe all of the iCloud synced files. So you can just click on sign out and then sign in with the new Apple ID. But this is kind of a huge step. It's not very recommended. You should always just keep one account throughout the use of any devices. So yeah, even though it's possible to sign out and then sign back in with a different one, it's like a major change. So you should definitely think that through. However, in case you have access to like two iCloud accounts that you only want to check out the files in, what I would recommend you to do in this case is to use Safari and go to iCloud.com. And using this website, you can just log in and check out all of the iCloud synced files, which might include the mail or everything that you had set up previously. Like here, you can find the photos which are there or the drive for actual files. So very useful stuff, and you can always just access it on any iPhone. So the best approach, in my opinion, is to just keep one account in the settings. Everything like the App Store, all of the apps are installed through one account. But in case you want to add like a different one for file management, or you have access to another one or something, I would just use Safari for that. Like you might as well just click on here and just add the new notes, and you can use as if you were using it on an iPhone, but it's actually through a website. So that's my idea. Let me know down below if you are looking for this or something else. Let me know what exactly you are trying to achieve with another account. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the future one.